Welcome back for another video, guys. So today I will teach you guys how you can earn here on BidPay on many different ways. So first, BidPay have a copy trading, lot of events, BidPay Army, affiliation, etc, and many more, guys. So here's the thing why I always choose BidPay as my number one crypto exchange platform, And kung hindi nyo pa nga pala kilala si BidPay is like a Binance, Pareha silang crypto exchange, okay? So ang kinaganda nito dito kasi sa BidPay, napakarami na pwede nating pagkakitaan. So itatopic natin yan ngayon dito isa-isa. So ang una, i-topic muna natin yung mga events ni BidPay, So marami sila dito. So ang una nating sisilipin is ang futures trading ng BidPay. So futures trading, ito yung pinakang chart ni BidPay pag nagte-trade tayo. So ito yung makikita natin dito sa BidPay kapag nag-trade tayo. So what I'm trying to say, pero hindi ko to i-recommend agad kasi nga futures trading is medyo risky siya. So ayan, so ang ani natin ngayon is yung ibang promotion ni BidPay kung paano tayo dito kikita. Pero ang main is pagti-trade dito sa futures. So and si BidPay, kung alam niyo na, si BidPay is nag-o-offer siya ng up to 200 times leverage. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam na gusto kong ng mataas na leverage, nag-offer po si BidPay ng 200x leverage. And another na pwede nating pagkakitaan, other ways to earn here on BidPay is by joining on some promotion. So here's one of the ongoing promotion of BidPay. Not quite sure but hindi ito naglo-loading, pero meron dapat to na banner refresh lang natin. Okay naman yung internet ko. So di bale sisilipin natin yan. So ito yung nila, BidPay Content Creation Program. Ang the topic is the deposit and withdrawal tutorial para i-upload natin to sa ating social media, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, okay? Para maturuan natin yung mga new user how to use BidPay platform. Sabi dito, we invite you to participate in BidPay video content creation program, and if you meet the requirements below, you have the chance to win up to 250 USDT perpetual bonus. Each month we will have sporadic specific teams. We warmly welcome all video creators to join. Yun ang sabi dito. Ang sabi nila, ang formats dapat nasa YouTube, pero kung gusto nyong i-upload sa inyong Facebook, Twitter, Telegram group, Telegram channel, feel free, guys, feel free. And detailed rules, at least 5 minutes yung length ng ating video, okay? So ang key points dito is educate user how to deposit and withdrawal. And yung rewards naman, by creating and publishing approximately 5-minute videos on YouTube, you can receive around $50 to $250 BidPay trial funds depending on the quality and completeness of your content in perpetual contract up to 10x leverage. Pero ang sa akin, hindi lang to up to 10x. Pwede ka ditong mag 200x, which is the maximum leverage on VidFi. So, how does content creation work? Paano sila nag-work? So, ang sabi dito, VidFi has the right to decide on reward distribution. Kumbaga, meron pa rin silang final decision. So, i-evaluate nila yung content natin based sa overall quality, sa logical, flow, creativity, and ease of understanding kung madali bang maintindihan ng mga manonood. So, kapag ang content daw ay hindi na-meet ang minimum na standards, VidFi has the right to hold the distribution. Kumbaga, pwede nilang yung reward. So, kapag merong conflict lang naman. After publishing, kailangan nating mag-fill up ng form para yung content natin is ma-review nila within 1 week, and rewards will be distributed to your VidFi account every Thursday. For example, nag-publish tayo ng video and nag-fill out tayo ng form. Pasensya na kayo, medyo maingay yung manok. Hindi naman sa amin yun eh. Katayin ko yung bukas. Hindi, joke lang. And fill out the form on, balik tayo dito, Wednesday. So, ang reward daw is madi-distribute on the following Thursday within the maximum time frame of 14 working days. So, kailangan lang nating i-DM si VidFi Army, pero ano kasi to, may underscore dapat yan dito, VidFi_Army, kasi nagbago ng Telegram si Ma'am Adora, no? So yun, so kung interesado kayo guys dito sa VidFi content creation program, feel free to join. Okay, I will drop my link and my invite link on Army Group. I will drop it on my description below. And sabi dito, ito pa yung hindi pa to na re-release, ano, 600 million SHIB super airdrops holding BYD points and waiting for you to split them. Anong araw ba yan? Sabado 12, Linggo 13, 14 Lunes, 15 Martes. Okay, sa Martes nila to ipopost, pero nandito na kasi to eh. Ang sabi dito, we have uploaded a BYD Point Center on our app, and we will be launching the first phase of airdrop event SHIB. Ang airdrop sa atin is Shiba Inu, pero ang kailangan natin is maka-earn tayo ng BYD points by trading and recommending friends user. So, kailangan nating mag-refer ng mga friends natin dito sa VidFi. And at the same time, mag-trade tayo ng futures. So, ang participants need to complete KYC. Winners are required to collect their rewards within 3 working days after the activity ends. Okay? Sabi dito, malicious behavior to gain profit is strictly prohibited. So, kung meron tayong ginagawa ng mga kalokohan, eh bawal yun. Okay? Ano yun? Cheating. So, ayun. Marami tayo ditong pwedeng ma-earn. So, pwede naman tayong punta sa kanilang Twitter. So, ito yung Twitter ng VidFi guys. So, follow nyo at VidFi ang username. So, ito yung latest partnership ng VidFi sa Alchemy Pay. So, it's a good thing. Heart natin, pero na-retweet ko na yan. And ito yung ano nila, promotion sa Twitter, ano? So, sabi dito, do you know how to find customer service support on VidFi? Ang gagawin lang natin, panoodin natin yung video, screenshot natin yung comment natin sa video dito sa YouTube, and follow natin yung VidFi and retweet and tag 3 friends. Pero guys, this is an example because this giveaway is already ended, ano? So balik tayo dito. This is my current trades. As you can see, there's a red, green, green, green. Okay, 4 red, 4, 5 green. So this is I'm not pro in trading, but I have a little analysis on that trade. So punta naman tayo sa Telegram ng BidFi Army. So let's go to the Telegram of BidFi Army. So how to join on BidFi Army? So click the partnership. Katabi siya ng copy trading and welcome rewards. So click natin tong Army. And kapag na-click natin to, click lang natin yung join Telegram para mapunta tayo sa Telegram ng BidFi Army. Then kailangan natin mag-sign up, mag-fill out ng form, and that's it. Welcome aboard. So click natin to. And dito tayo mapupunta. So ayan. Okay, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Telegram ng BidFi Army. So kapag nandito na tayo guys, kung matatanong ninyo, para saan ba itong group na ito? Nandito po kasi si Ma'am Adora, and nandito po nyo lahat makikita yung mga ongoing promotions like I said earlier, the video content creation, and sabi dito, by the way, this is my account, only my account. Sabi dito is, ang sabi ko dito, please do read the pin post for new army. So kapag if you're newly joined here on BidFi Army, please read all the pin post. Okay, so ang makikita natin dito, 3 steps to own money for free. This guys, this is totally free. You don't need any dollars to spend to get this. You just need to fill out the form and sign up on BidFi and join here on BidFi Army. So eto yung form, eto si Ma'am Adora, and ano pa ba, and eto naman yung ongoing promotion here on BidFi, and the strengthen the army competition. So eto yun, pwede kayong sumali dito guys, and you can win rewards by joining this type of events. Also here, guys, please follow BidFi on CoinMarketCap, ano. So you just need to click this link and create your profile on CoinMarketCap if you haven't create your account. So please create account on CoinMarketCap and please follow BidFi, and you can also leave a review, make a comment, etc, etc. So ang sabi dito, if BidFi go with over 2,000 followers, ang sabi dito ni Ma'am Adora, we are opening a 2,000 USDT perpetual bonus prize pool sa lahat ng mga nag-follow kay BidFi. I'm not sure what is the mechanics, maybe random winners. Ito pala, we will draw out 10 accounts and get 200 USDT each. So magkano din yun pag nakuha natin yun, ano. So guys, please follow BidFi on CoinMarketCap. Okay, and this is one I'm talking about earlier, how to earn up to 200 USDT by social media. Okay, so paano daw tayo kikita ng trading bonus sa pag-create lang ng BidFi content? Okay, so eto yun guys, ang kailangan lang natin is mag-create tayo ng content about sa BidFi, how it works, paano gumana, paano yung ganto, kung paano, basta yung mga tutorial. Okay? So eto, fill out lang natin tong form and click natin tong link na to kung dito natin makikita yung details which is napakita natin kanina, no? So yun lang guys. Let's chat a good night here. Good night. So that's it guys for today. So hope you learn something how to earn money on BidFi. Others are free, but the others have you need to do some task, but it worth it guys, it worth it. So please join BidFi and BidFi Army. Let's go army, and bye bye.